on School Management, RCFC Act 2009 and Odisha State Rules 2010, Pay 6 Odisha B.Ed and Education Honours. State Policies on School Management, RCFC Act 2009 and Odisha State Rules 2010. Introduction. Effective school management is vital for the smooth functioning of educational institutions and the realization of universal elementary education. To facilitate decentralized, participatory, and accountable school management, the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act, RCFCE, 2009 was enacted by the Government of India. In response, the state of Odisha framed its own set of rules in 2010 to operationalize the provisions of the RCFC Act at the state level. These laws provide a legal and policy framework for managing schools effectively with a strong focus on access, equity, quality, and inclusion. RCFC Act 2009 Key provisions related to school management. The RCFC Act, Right to Education Act, 2009 is a landmark legislation that makes free and compulsory education a fundamental right for children aged 6 to 14 years. Some major provisions that relate to school management include 1. School Management Committees, SMCs, Section 21 and 22. Each government and government-aided school must constitute an SMC. SMCs must have at least 75% parents or guardians of children studying in the school. It should also include local authority representatives, teachers, and community members. Responsibilities include monitoring school functioning, preparing the School Development Plan, SDP, and ensuring regular teacher and student attendance. 2. Decentralized and participatory governance. Emphasis on community participation in school activities and decision-making. School-level planning to be done in consultation with the local community via SMCs. Greater autonomy and involvement of parents and local bodies in school improvement. 3. Accountability and transparency. Schools must maintain records of enrollment, infrastructure, and teacher deployment. The SMC must monitor how grants and funds are utilized. Annual reports must be prepared and shared with the community. 4. Norms for school infrastructure and teacher availability. The Act mandates pupil-teacher ratios, PTR, boundary walls, toilets, drinking water, classrooms, and playgrounds to be ensured by the school authority. Teacher appointments, transfers, and duties are regulated for transparency and equity. Odisha RTE Rules, 2010 State Adaptation of RCFC Act. To implement the RTE Act in Odisha, the state government notified the Odisha Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Rules, 2010. These rules detail how the provisions of the Central Act are to be applied locally. 1. Formation and functioning of SMCs. Each SMC must have 16 to 18 members including 12 parents, minimum 50% women. Headmaster, ex officio member secretary. 1 local authority representative. 2 teachers. 1 educationist NGO activist. The SMC is responsible for preparing the School Development Plan, SDP, every 3 years and monitoring its execution. 2. Empowerment of Gram Panchayats. Local self-governments are given responsibility to support and monitor elementary schools. Gram Panchayats have authority to inspect schools and verify infrastructure and academic activities. 3. School Development Planning. Every school must prepare a 3-year SDP with yearly targets. Plans must focus on infrastructure, teacher deployment, enrollment, dropout reduction, and inclusive education. 4. Child-centric management. Emphasis is placed on inclusion, gender equity, and access to schooling for children with disabilities, CWSN, SC Cent, minorities, and migrant children. Schools must maintain a child-friendly environment with appropriate seating, sanitation, safety, and midday meals. Impact of RCFC Act and Odisha rules on school management. Decentralization, shift from centralized control to community-based management through SMCs. Inclusiveness, promotes the participation of marginalized communities and parents. Transparency, better monitoring of school funds, enrollment, and infrastructure via community oversight. Accountability, regular teacher attendance, timely TLM provision, and improved student learning outcomes. School improvement facilitates the creation of long-term school development and improvement plans. Current practices in Odisha. SMCs are active in all government elementary schools, often assisted by NGOs and CRCCs. Odisha's Mo School Abhiyan encourages alumni and community involvement in school development. Training and capacity building are provided to SMC members under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Digitization of school records, school report cards, and real-time monitoring are being implemented. Conclusion. The RCFC Act 2009 and Odisha State Rules 2010 have laid the foundation for participatory, accountable, and inclusive school management in the state. By empowering parents, local bodies, and teachers, these policies have transformed school governance from a top-down bureaucratic system to a bottom-up, community-driven model. For effective and sustainable education reform, the implementation of these provisions must be continuously monitored, supported, and evolved based on local needs and challenges.